So in this session, we will learn that how to add or delete an additional row and column. So once we have, for example, this data with us, this is a table. To create this as like this with borders, there is a section, this section, which gives the outlines to the selected cells. You have multiple options available here. Bottom border, top border. What does the top border means? Check the select cell, click on top border. It will give you a line at the top. If you select bottom border, it will give you a line here in the bottom. See, bottom border, bottom. Now when we want to make a table like this, so we will select all borders. We can make the outer border thick as well by clicking on this. So now we are writing names and marks, for example. So Bharti scored 80, Nikhil scored 60, Disha scored 50, for example, Monica scored 40, Rahul 65. Now I want to have one more row here above Disha. How to have that? So we'll click on this row and click on insert. It will insert a row above, right? So if we want a row below Disha, we will click on Monica and insert. We got the row. Similarly, we have two columns, names and marks. We want another column in between with their phone numbers or say email IDs. So click on this column, click on insert, we got this column. So this is how you need to insert rows and columns. So how to do that in this tab? Can we do that? So whatever we have available on right click, we have that functionality here also in the ribbon. Like we go to insert in the home tab, we have insert sheet columns. Like I click on it, I got another column. So where was I my control? I'm keeping the control here on C, then go to insert sheet columns. I got a column. Where? To the right. I'm keeping the cursor on this row with the name Bharti. Go to insert cells. I got a row above Bharti. So this is how we can do this from here also. So delete cells, sheet rows is another option we have. So we can delete in the same manner from this section. We can delete from the right click also. So right click, say delete, this row would be deleted. We can delete multiple columns together as well. So in case we want to delete all these three columns together, select all the three, then click on delete. So this is how you can use borders, first of all. Second, addition and deletion of rows and columns.